We made this with Capt and Breadhook's Antarctic white chocolate. Eureka! We found it! This is gonna be the best! Thanks, Marina. We're making all of these individually tonight so they can chill overnight in the fridge. Then tomorrow, all you need to do is put this wonderful cake together and have lots of fun. One down, 2 to go. I heard Jeannie and Glitzabel stumbled upon something fantastic. Could even be legendary. When the stars align and the canyon sings, what treasure does friendship bring? You'll need about 3 pounds of strawberries for this cake. For the strawberry ice cream layer, chop up enough to make 2 cups of puree. See that white part? You want to get most of it out because it's bitter. You can do this in a blender if you don't have one of these handy Jiffy immersion blenders. We left a link below. Before we go on, add 1 teaspoon of gelatin to 2 tablespoons of water and let it bloom. It's asking what the treasure is. Maybe it's not gold or jewels. Honey, the real treasure is the friends we make along the way.
Yes, treasure.
Look at this. And in your favorite saucepan, add a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of sugar. And your bloomed gelatin. Mix this all around, just to the steaming, to make sure everything is dissolved and the gelatin's doing its magic thing. Gelatin keeps the ice cream from hardening into a rock and adds to the creaminess. Mix this into 2 cups of heavy cream. Add in a teaspoon of strawberry extract. And there's an Aquaman double feature later on. Isn't he the cutest? No more than 2 drops of pink, or your ice cream will look like Pepto-Bismol. Put this in the fridge to cool to 40 degrees as well. It's a legendary cookbook. I think this has recipes for the most magical desserts in the universe. But let's get the key to give to the gatekeeper Zorblix so we can get to the treasure. I knew this wild ride would be worth it. Puree another pound into 2 cups. On medium heat, reduce this in half. We're checking it right here, and I think we got it. This is gonna smack of flavor. Add half a cup of sugar mixed with 1½ teaspoons of cornstarch. This way keeps the cornstarch from clumping up. And bubble this until it's nice and thick. It'll leave a distinct path behind your spatula. And put this to bed in the fridge too. I swear I saw that magic purple peach land on this planet. Oh, honey, so this is where the magic purple peach landed? Oh, this place is sweeter than my last disco ball party. The cookbook, Glitzabel. We gotta bring it back to Big Val's kitchen. Now we get to put it all together. Pulverize 11 ounces of Nilla cookies, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of melted and cooled butter. Let that butter soak in all the way to the crumbs. Oh, sugar, you are so right. No time to dilly-dally. Let's get this legendary masterpiece home before something funky happens. If your pan is like ours, make sure you have the flat top facing up. It's easier to get your cake out later. And we tape our sides too. Gently tap down the crust with a flat bottom something. You don't want it too hard because we're freezing it while we churn the ice cream. And place your best looking strawberries on the edge for decoration. Aye, good thinking. If that book stays here too long, who knows what kind of intergalactic sugar storm it might stir up. Fold in a heaping cup of chopped strawberries. The strawberries should be as big as a pea. And flatten out the top of the ice cream. Pop it back in the freezer for about 30 minutes to let it firm up. Spread the puree on top and get it evenly to the edge all around. Pop it back in the freezer while we whisk the white chocolate toppings to stiff peaks. Who cares about books when I got all this money? Yep, we owe them some money. Here you go, with interest. See the mountain peaks? Mountain peaks. Big Val's using a skewer to get the pink food gel into the creases. Do you think we went overboard on the gel? It looks awfully pretty though. Maybe we should have used a little less. What do you think? Child, money can't buy the magic of a good recipe. No. Oh, Stardust Winds, lend us your might. Bring this book back into our sight. Yeah! Now, let's skedoodle before we all get turned into gingerbread pirates. Wait, what?